The Citroen DS has been with us for a couple of months now, and we made a good start just before Christmas, probably 2 or 3 weeks before Christmas, tackling the severe corrosion that set in at the rear of the car. So if I show you this part, this is the inner wheel arch panel from the rear. If I move up, you can see that the panel's now been replaced with a really high quality fabricated section that's available. I think it's made from the original press tools. It seemed to fit perfectly well into the car. And there's still a little bit of work to do down in the lower corners with these replacement panels that are available as well. And the D pillar, or as Citroen call it, the C pillar, in this car had completely rotted away as well, so that's now been changed. And also a section here, which is the parcel shelf, had rotted as well. So we've got really good structure now in this corner of the car. The chassis rail on this car is down here, which is a solid section. There's no corrosion in there at all, so we've been quite fortunate. But the boot floor has rotted away. Luckily the boot floor panel again is available from the Citroen Classic specialists in the UK, which is really great news that all these panels are available. It makes life a lot easier to bring the car back to life. As we move around the car, there's some corrosion in the cant rails going round under the roof panel. The roof on these cars is fiberglass. It's been unbolted from the car to allow access to these sections here that still need some localised fabrication work to be done. And the general idea is that we're going to work slowly around the car to get to the front sections. So in the scuttle panel there's a few holes that need fabrication sections to be made, and around the jacking points at the front there's a little bit of work to be done. Generally, again, the chassis rails on the car and the main structure of the car is really good, but it's when you get to the sort of extremities, to the front corner here where the front cross member goes, it's in a particularly bad way. So there's work to do at this section here as well. But it's just exciting to be able to start the project and actually, start to bring this car back to life.